In the heart of the American Southwest, the earth reveals its ancient artistry. Carved by water, wind, and time, these majestic canyons stand as nature's sculptures, a testament to the relentless forces of nature. Join us as we explore the breathtaking canyons of the Southwest, where each cliff and crevice tells a story millions of years in the making. The canyons of the Southwest weren't formed overnight. Their creation is a story of patience, persistence, and the power of nature. It all begins with water, specifically, rivers that carve their way through solid rock over millions of years. Take the Grand Canyon, for instance, one of the most iconic canyons on Earth. Over the course of 5 to 6 million years, the Colorado River has relentlessly cut through layers of rock, creating this awe-inspiring wonder. But water alone isn't responsible for these colossal formations. Wind plays its role too, shaping and smoothing the rocks, while flash floods and landslides continue the erosion process. Each layer of rock you see here tells a chapter in the Earth's history. The reds, oranges, and whites are sedimentary rocks laid down by ancient seas, rivers, and deserts over hundreds of millions of years. In canyons like Bryce, these layers have been pushed up, tilted, and exposed by tectonic forces and then sculpted by erosion. Geologists flock to the canyons of the Southwest, not just for their beauty, but for the rich geological record they reveal. Each stratum of rock unveils secrets from Earth's distant past, from ancient oceans to shifting continents, and even the life that once thrived here. Beyond their size and grandeur, each canyon has its own distinct character. Bryce Canyon, for example, is famous for its hoodoos, tall, thin spires of rock formed by the freeze-thaw cycle of water. These stone sentinels stand like a forest frozen in time. In Zion Canyon, massive cliffs rise over 2,000 feet with narrow gorges known as the Narrows, offering a dramatic contrast, where hikers wade through the Virgin River, surrounded by towering rock walls. And then, there's Antelope Canyon, a natural work of art sculpted by flash floods. Its smooth, twisting walls create mesmerizing patterns, and when the sunlight filters through, it's nothing short of magical. For thousands of years, humans have also called these canyons home. The ancient Puebloans built cliff dwellings in places like Mesa Verde and Cañón de Chelly, taking advantage of the natural protection offered by the canyon walls. Throughout the Southwest, petroglyphs and pictographs tell the stories of those who lived here long before modern times. These ancient rock carvings are reminders of the deep connection between people and the land. For us, these canyons aren't just beautiful, they're sacred. They've been a part of our stories, our ceremonies, and our way of life for generations. Today, millions of visitors come from all over the world to marvel at the beauty of the canyons. But with increasing foot traffic and environmental concerns, the need for conservation has never been greater. Today, millions of visitors come from all over the world to marvel at the beauty of the canyons. But with increasing foot traffic and environmental concerns, the need for conservation has never been greater. We work tirelessly to protect these landscapes, ensuring that future generations can experience the same natural beauty that we do today. But it requires responsible tourism and an understanding of how fragile these ecosystems are. Through conservation efforts and responsible tourism, we can ensure that the canyons remain preserved for generations to come. The canyons of the Southwest are more than just landscapes. They are the result of time, nature, and history coming together in perfect harmony. Sculpted by the forces of the earth, these magnificent wonders stand as a reminder of the beauty and power of the natural world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of our natural world.